Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's from pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them can make profits. while I'm still in my sand, making profit. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? And make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? And make profit. That TTG money gang. And making profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Before I get started here today, I just got to give a huge shout out and a huge congratulations to everyone that has capitalized on my AI trade. If you have been following this YouTube channel for the last couple of days, you go back to last night's live stream, you go back to Friday's live stream, Thursday's live stream, Wednesday's live stream. I have been telling you that I am positioned for a short squeeze on ticker symbol AI, long at $29.30. The stock is currently trading at $44. It's an unbelievable trade. Members caught the June 2nd $30 strike call option from around $2.40. That went all the way to $15. You're talking over a 500% gain from Friday till today. Are you kidding me? 500% gain. Congratulations to all the members of True Trading Group that were able to capitalize on this trade. I know there are thousands of you literally because I got all of the DMs to prove it and to show it. But aside from that, aside from calling the short squeeze last week, aside from positioning ourselves for it beautifully and then reaping the rewards of that analysis and of that call, today's a bittersweet day. It's a bittersweet day for me for reasons I'll get into in a little bit later on in this live stream. But there's some stuff I want to talk about, and I don't know. I'm hard on myself. I'm hard on myself. I'm very passionate about what it is that I do. I carry the weight of the world on my shoulders of the responsibility that is helping members become successful and helping members make money. And I'm tough. I'm hard on myself, and I'm very, like I said, I'm very passionate about this. So there are some things that I would like to get off of my chest on this live stream. So we're going to kind of dive into a few different things here. Yes, we're also giving away $1,000 today on this live stream. So if you guys were on the live stream last night, I gave away 2 code words. It's the same code words, but I will re-give them again today for maybe those that missed the live stream, from us last night. Okay, so I will go over that $1,000 giveaway, recapping ticker symbol AI. We also made really good money shorting Alphabet today. Long AI, short Alphabet. That was the play for us today. It worked out excellent. So we'll talk about that. And then I want to get some stuff off my chest. So welcome to the live stream, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader and co-founder of True Trading Group. If you guys don't know by now, we're the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform available to the retail trader. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here, totally free, where myself, other TeachD pro trading mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas, analysis, commentary that can help you all become better traders. So take a minute. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. We got an incredible live stream for you here tonight. Like I said, one of you is going to win $1,000 on this live stream, which we're all going to be armed with the education, the game plan, and the resources to have the best chance of making money in the markets for the rest of what is a short week. We're starting off with an absolute bang of a day, huge day. And today, like I said, 500% gain on the call options from Friday on AI into today. Congratulations to all of our members. So in a minute, I'm going to give you guys the first of 2 code words. It's the same code words from last night. The second one we'll give again later on in this live stream before we do the $1,000 giveaway. At the end of the stream, we're going to put everyone's name into a random name picker called the Wheel of Names. We'll spin it live. The winner's got a few minutes to text us and give us the code words that we are providing to you on this live stream. If you do not respond, or you have the wrong code words, or you are unable to give us the code words, we will skip you and we'll spin the wheel again until we get ourselves a winner. Now, how do you claim the money if you do win $1,000? You just have to have a PayPal or a Venmo account, and we'll just immediately send it to you. It is literally as simple as that. Okay. Now, we have a lot of new people that are on the stream, a lot of people excited about AI and are logging on YouTube and trying to figure out what the hell is going on with all these AI stocks. So if you're new, let me explain to you who the hell I am and why you should listen or care about anything it is that I discuss on here. I do want to give a first major thank you and a big shout out. We, True Trading Group, we said that we were going to donate all of the funds that we generated in sales over the weekend for up until last night at midnight, we were matching and donating to the Wounded Warrior Project. I am happy and pleased to announce that we have successfully donated $18,700 to the Wounded Warrior Project. So again, this was, if you were on the live stream last night, I had said every dollar in sales, we were going to match dollar for dollar. Okay. And we will be donating $18,700 to the Wounded Warrior Project. That's what the number came out to be. I wanted to just make that announcement. I wanted to let everybody know that we will be donating $18,700 to the Wounded Warrior Project in honor of Memorial Day. Our absolute pleasure, our absolute honor. We have hundreds and hundreds of active, retired, veteran U.S. military, armed service members that are part of the True Trading Group family. We love you all. And of course, recognizing the families and those servicemen and women that gave the ultimate sacrifice. That's what Memorial Day is all about. And it's our pleasure to do whatever we can. And we will be donating $18,700 to the Wounded Warrior Project. So I did want to make sure that we say that. Okay. But for the rest of you that don't know who I am, and maybe you never found one of our live streams before, I'll explain to you why I think that you should really pay attention when we go over these live streams, because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, guys. I began my career working for a fund in New York City. It's my first job out of college. While there, I had to go through a 3-month educational training program that taught me how to trade. I could not touch $1 of the fund's money until I passed their training program. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash. But that was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to learn, trade, and profit on a consistent basis. We have members in 115 different countries. 115 different countries. We're the fastest growing and highest rated platform because we combine university level trading and investing courses, which is a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. We pair that with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and give individual mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We cover day trading, swing trading, and also long-term investing. There is something for everybody inside of True Trading Group. We take that university level curriculum, we pair it with today's top financial tools that are worth over $5,000 a year. These are tools you guys need, but they're expensive. These are successful traders don't get their ideas and their information from Reddit or Twitter. Okay. These are tools that would cost you around $5,000, but they give you more information. They give you more data. They help you make better decisions and increase your chances of success. So you should use them. But I know $5,000 is a lot of money. That's why we spend years building relationships with these companies so we can put their products on our platform without you guys having to pay $1 for it. You also get access to all of our members. Our members are the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. Not to mention all the trade alerts from myself and the rest of the moderators in True Trading Group that I've been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80%. Now going on the last 3 years. So if you are new to this channel, you better subscribe. You smash the like button. You turn on your notifications so you never miss any of them in the future. Because if you missed my live streams on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, then you missed AI. You missed a stock that I told you last week I thought was going to short squeeze, and I thought this stock had a chance to go into the 40s. Well, guess what? Here we are today, and the stock's at $43.50. Members were able to capitalize on a 500% gain on call options. I bought the stock. I'm still long it right now as we're speaking. I'm long from $29.30. The stock is currently trading at $43.53. It's an unbelievable monster. Now, the position that I still am holding, full disclosure, it's a small piece at this point. I've taken profit all along the way. It's like every $2 to $3 move this stock made, I was like, okay, I'm going to take more profit. Popped another $2, $3. Okay, I'm taking more profit. And we just kept doing it until we just run out of shares. I just keep taking profits as the stock extends higher and the squeeze continues, and until we run out of shares. Hindenburg Research with that short report, thing's been an absolute monster. So again, if you guys are new, like I said, subscribe, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. All right. So let's head on over, guys, let's head on over here to AI. And I want to talk about this here real quick. I want to talk about this stuff here real quick, but before I get into AI, right, before I get into AI and what is a huge winner for myself and a huge winner for all of our members, and this is a swing trade also. This is something that you guys, people, we got in this on Friday. I didn't get in this today. I got in this on Friday. So it's a swing trade. You guys could be able to capitalize on this even if you have busy schedule and full-time jobs. But what I'd like to do here real quick, before I get into the AI trade, and like I told you before, I do have something I want to get off my chest. And I want to do it before we talk about AI and before we talk about the amazing 500% gain, before I can sit here and say, see, I told you so, before I pound my chest a little bit on this AI call. And I am going to pound my chest a bit because I called this last week and we're in it. We're making money from it. We capitalize on. So we are going to talk about this AI. But before we do, I want to know who's making money and I want to know who's becoming a better trader with True Trading Group. Can you guys just do me a favor? If you are a member and you're making money and you are becoming better traders because of True Trading Group, I'd like for you to type the number 1 in chat right now for me, please. Might sound tedious or whatever. Just go ahead, type the number 1 inside chat. I want to see who's making money and who's becoming better traders. Wow. Now, anyone that's not a member, pay attention to how many people are typing the number 1 in chat right now. These are members of True Trading. These are not bots. These are members of True Trading Group that are telling you that they're making money and they're becoming better traders because of TTG. As you can see, it's a lot of people. Now, we have thousands of members all over the world. We have members in 115 different countries. So truly a global community and a global force. But I know that it is impossible for a True Trading Group to have a 100% success rate. I know that not every single one of our thousands upon thousands of members are going to be successful. I know that's not possible, right? But it doesn't mean that it doesn't bother me when I see people struggle. When I see people struggle, I don't want people to lose money, right? I really don't. I want every single one of our members to be successful. And I try very, very hard to instill the right mindset, the right rules, the right trading strategies, the right risk management strategies to help people as best as I possibly can to reach their goals to become profitable. And I carry the weight of the world of that responsibility on my shoulders. And I do it with open arms. I have no problem doing it. I prefer to do it. In fact, there's nobody else that I would rather do it because there's nobody else that I would trust to do it. I want to do everything in my power. And it's not just myself. It's the rest of the moderators at True Trading Group. It's the entire team at True Trading Group. We want to do everything in our power to help as many people become successful as we possibly can, knowing that not everybody's going to be successful. So as amazing as this is, right? You saw how many people typed the number 1 in chat. As amazing as that is, of course, there's members of True Trading Group that are not successful. And I take it personally. I take it. I'm like, what is it? What is it that is, where's the disconnect? What is going wrong? I told, like, for example, AI. I told everybody on Friday, guys, I'm buying it, $29.30. I think it's going to squeeze into the 40s. Today, the stock's at $44. It's a 500% gain if you bought the call option. Like stuff like that. I'm like, where is the disconnect? I've been pounding the table, buy NVDA in the long-term portfolio. I've been saying it for 3 years. Buy NVIDIA in the long-term portfolio. Buy NVIDIA. Buy NVIDIA. When people say, Mike, what are some of the favorite stocks you have in your for your long-term portfolio right now? I say AMD and NVIDIA, right? If you've been following the live stream for the last 3 years, you know that. But yet maybe sometimes there's still people that don't own NVIDIA, even though I've been buying it for the last 3 years. Like, why? Where's the disconnect? I take it personally. I saw there was a long-term member today. This person today in True Trading Group has been a member for a while. This is not someone that just joined 2 or 3 months ago. This is someone that's been with us for a while. And I saw that this person was struggling. And I didn't know this until today. And this person's a good person, right? They're a good person, but they were too embarrassed to speak up. They were too embarrassed to ask for help. They were too prideful to ask for help. Maybe they felt shamed. And now they're down $30,000. That bothers me. I don't ever want anybody to feel that they are not able or that they don't feel comfortable coming out and saying, hey, Mike, I'm having a tough time. I need some help. These are a couple of my trades. Do you see anything that I'm doing wrong? What do you think I'm doing wrong? Because I don't know what it is. This is what's happening. Can you help me? Guys, there are 9 professional trading moderators at True Trading Group and a 30-person support staff at True Trading Group. Use it. You are not just a number when you join True Trading Group. We actually give a damn whether or not you succeed or fail. And I know there's these people, everyone comes on live streams, people comment in chat about the money that they're making, everybody's excited, and sometimes it can be difficult. It truly can be difficult to be someone that says, hey, congrats for everybody else, but I'm not doing well. There is no shame in that. There is no embarrassment in that. Every single person has struggled. I don't know a single successful trader that has not struggled, that did not have a period of time where they needed help, where they needed a mentor to help answer questions, to help get them back on track, to help figure out what they're doing wrong. I know I sure as hell didn't, or did, whichever way I just said. I know I needed a mentor. My mentor was my boss when I worked at the fund. I owe that man so much of the skill set that I've been able to acquire over the long term. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I had my struggles. I had my hardships where I had to voice up and be like, hey, I'm not doing well. I need help. So to see a member that I know this member is a fantastic human being, is a great person, to see them struggle and just learn about it now made me upset. Because I'm like, why are you just coming to me now that you're down $30,000 telling me you need help? Why didn't you come to me when you were down 5, 6, 8, 10 and be like, hey, obviously something isn't working. Obviously something is wrong. I need help. This is what you pay for when you join True Trading Group. You're not paying just to get my trade alerts because I'm some god to trading. I'm not. You're paying True Trading Group to provide a platform for you that has a professional level of education, that has professional tools, and gives you mentorship and access to 9 professional traders. Now, I didn't say anywhere in there you're paying just to get trade alerts and you can go F off in the corner by yourself. Because that's not what True Trading Group is about. You're not just a number at True Trading Group. You don't join True Trading Group and then all of a sudden, you don't hear from us ever again. Our relationship begins when you join True Trading Group. This isn't a program where you join and you never get to speak to the head person. Quite the opposite. I talk to members of True Trading Group every single day. In my opinion, we're the closest thing to a real-world stock market university. I am accessible to all of our members. The moderators are accessible to all of our members. We get asked all of the time, what makes True Trading Group different? Us giving a damn, giving access, being there, talking to people one-on-one, helping those struggling, that is what makes us different. This is what we exist for. We exist to help, empower, educate, and level the playing field for retail traders, knowing that not every single person is going to be successful. I know that's not possible. And guess what? If you guys have sent us an email, if you've sent DMs and you didn't get an immediate reply, continue to send emails, continue to send DMs to the moderators. Be proactive. We are here to help. We are not just going to shun you. We're not going to say, just going to throw you under the bus and not going to leave you out there hanging to dry. I'm not going to leave you in the trenches taking grenades. I'm going to come in there. I'm going to get in the trenches with you. And we're going to fight back together. And I'm going to pull your ass out of that trench. I'm going to take you back to safety, whether my life depends on it or not. We're human at True Trading Group, guys. Yes, sometimes we miss emails. We have thousands of members all over the world. Yes, sometimes we miss emails. If you did not get a response to an email, send another one. You don't have to chase us, but sending one email 3 months ago or 6 months ago and then just nothing else, no follow-up, that's not enough. That's not enough. So I'm here right now to tell you, we give a damn. You're not alone. You don't have to go through this by yourself. If you're not seeing the results that you want, stop trading, go on a simulator, contact us, ask for help. You can control 100% of the money that you will lose in trading. You will not control how much you can make, but you have complete control over how much you will lose. Now, that's all about what position size do you put into particular trades? Are you sticking to your stop losses or not? You have complete control over how much money you're going to lose. You have no control over how much you're going to make. It's a very powerful concept. You can control your demise. You cannot control your success. So focus on what you can control. If you're struggling, stop trading, go on the simulator. Reach out for help. Go back through the courses. Go back through the videos. Attend the workshops. Go do the boot camps. Attend the red to greens. Do the homework with Jason Simmons. Schedule a one-on-one. There are resources available to you. And let this be a message to anyone that is struggling. Do not be embarrassed. I also struggled. Do not feel less than. Do not feel inferior because you see other people making money and you're not where you want to be and you're actually losing money. It's nothing to be ashamed of. It's nothing to be shy about. It's nothing to be too prideful of. We as a company pay $250,000 a year to have access to the best simulator that money can buy. Yes, that's how much it costs us to have the simulator that you have access to on our platform. It's the best simulator money can buy. It's the same simulator that's used at like the University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, Illinois Tech, and California State Fullerton. Simulators used in their finance programs. You know, not even including the data that you need to power it. That's just access. Never mind the data, because we pay for real-time data. Using a simulator that's delayed is useless, right? Because you're going to cheat. You're going to look at the stock market and then you're going to go, this looks like a good buy. And you're going to wait and see what the market's doing. Then you're going to go back and you're going to buy the stock. It's 15 minutes delayed. That's pointless. So we pay for real-time data feeds from Quote Media that give you real-time data in your simulator. So you're trading tick for tick with the market like we are. But the only difference is you're using fake money. This is why we pay for this stuff. You think we need to pay for that? No, we don't need to pay for that, but we want to, because I feel like that's necessary for people that are struggling to implement their stuff that they're working on and that they're learning so they can not lose money while they figure out what they're doing wrong. There's a reason why we're okay burdening that cost. I'm at a 25% win rate. I have used other services. I'm doing something wrong. I've struggled for 5 years. Okay, this is Kevin. I believe you just joined last night. I believe you're just a member I think Kevin just joined last night, guys, if I'm not mistaken. So Kevin, welcome to the True Trading Group family. I believe Kevin just joined like at 2 o'clock in the morning last night. So Kevin, I welcome you to the family, brother. And I commend you for speaking up and having the bravery to come on here and comment and say that. I know you've been a member of a bunch of different programs, a bunch of different groups before. Obviously, none of them have done anything for you. A 25% win rate is something that we have to change immediately. My advice to you, Kevin, is to not trade a single dollar of real money until you go through the courses, until you go through the video library, until you talk to the moderators, attend the workshops, ask us questions. All right. before you even think about trading with real money. There's a process that needs to be followed in order for you to have the best chance of making money. And if you have a 25% win rate, then there is absolutely no reason why you should be trading until you are able to have a win rate that is above 50% on the simulator. Go on the simulator for at least 1 month. I want you to have an over 50% win rate. And then and only then should you move over and start trading with real money again. Okay? That is my piece of advice to you, Kevin. So I wanted to say this. I wanted to kind of get this off my chest. Like I said, it's something that kind of bothered me a little bit today. And I feel like this was important. You know, I feel like this is an important message that I wanted to just to get across to people, like to just let everybody know that it's like you're not alone. Right? You're not alone. Let me see how many people are on here that are not members. Guys, by the way, AI new high of the day, $44.37 going off after hours. That's fresh new highs. We are still long. Unbelievable trade. Congratulations, members. Let me see who's on here that's not a member of True Trading Group. If you're not a member, do me a favor, type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. I hope a lot of you are not members so that you all can hear this. So go ahead and type the letters TTG in chat right now. TTG. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, guys, do me a favor and just type TTG in chat right now. I want to see who we have on here that is still not a member of the True Trading Group family. All right, let's see. We got Sean Savage, Lewis Winthorpe. I feel like you've definitely been here before. Welcome back. Ray, David Montoya, what's up? Ann, Nicholas, Tobias, Joe, C3, Radiant, Yogendra, Imiki, Corio, Sandy, Ronald, Johnny Gutierrez, what's up, brother? One of these days, man. One of these days. Randy, La Pantera, JJ, Monkey, Adventure, Jose. Excellent. All right, so we got a handful of people here that are not members here of True Trading Group, guys. 44.85 new highs on AI. So a bunch of people here that are not members of TTG. Paul, Dan, excellent. So we got a bunch of new faces here that are with us today. They're not part of the TTG family. Nara, are you bullish on C3AI on earnings? Dude. I'm going to talk about AI in just a minute. I'll talk about AI in just a minute, but just asking that question is actually a little concerning. And I'll explain why in just a bit. I will talk about AI in a second, guys. I'm long AI. We're breaking through $45 right now. Now my question is for members of True Trading Group. How many of you have tried another service before and then you were taken for a ride? Comment in chat right now if you guys joined another service in the past and you guys have since been kind of taken for a ride. Nice. Way to go. Bass Goose says, have my first 60% winner because of TTG teaching on Alphabet. Great job. Type the number 1. I'm sorry. Type the number 1 if you guys have been taken for a ride by some other group or some other service in the past. Just type the number 1. Two, I lost 6,000, several services. I'm doing another and I have not been successful. 2, cracked discords. So you guys got to see all these people typing the number 1 have been part of other groups in the past and was taken for a ride. Not a joyful ride, says Perry. Oof, Trader Pam, I'm so sorry. I was taken for a $15,000 ride. Bruce Sears says I lost 15K. This is why we exist. This is why we exist. Literally right now, what I'm seeing right now, people that are commenting in chat. See, there's a lot of groups and a lot of services out there that don't know their ass from their elbow when it comes to teaching anybody about how to be successful in the markets, but they're just good marketers. This is why we exist. Okay. I lost over $120,000, says Jay. Oh, man. I am so terribly sorry. $65,000 down, says Dan. Guys, I'm so sorry that this is, I mean, meanwhile, 45.50, guys, new highs now on AI as the squeeze is still continuing on AI. I am still long this from $29.30. Congratulations again, members of True Trading Group that are on this thing with me. I'm still long a piece of this position. It's a small piece, but I'm still long a piece. And this thing is just absolutely ripping face. Congrats. But what I want to tell you guys right now is, you know, after seeing what happened today inside of that one member that I said has been a member for a while, and then I see something like this, I see how many people that are down all this money by getting taken for a ride from these other groups. I'm going to extend our Memorial Day sale for one more day because I feel like a lot of people maybe did not get a chance to see our live stream last night because it was Memorial Day. People are hanging out in the backyard, they're barbecuing, they're out on a boat, they're spending time with friends and family, and they're enjoying the weekend, and as you should. But I feel like I'm going to give people one more chance at our Memorial Day sale, which is a 61% discount. So many people are willing to just lose $850, $1,000, $1,200, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 in some trade alert that somebody gives you, but you're not willing to invest that money in yourself and in your education and in the tools that you have at your disposal to give yourself the best chance of being successful. You guys can join True Trading Group's platform right now for the entire year for just $850. That's it for the whole year. It's all of our courses. It's all of our tools. There's no upsell for courses. There's no upsell for tools. It's all included. Now, the price is normally $2,212, but the Memorial Day sale that we ran was a 61% discount. It dropped the price down to $850. I'm going to extend that sale for one more day. I will give that people one more chance at the $850 price point to finally do this. I want you to go to ttgoffer.com. That's ttgoffer.com and then enter the coupon code TTG121. You must manually enter the code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop down to $850. Check out when you're good to go. This is good until midnight tonight. I'm not putting a limit on this. As many people that want to take advantage of this, you can do so up until midnight tonight. Once we get to midnight tonight, then at that point, that coupon code will no longer be active for the $850 for the 61% discount, and the price will then just go back up to where it was. So you guys have one more chance to do this up until midnight. It includes all of our courses. Joe, why don't you post up the link to our syllabus? So this way everyone can see all the list of courses that they're going to have access to. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures. You have access to all of our courses. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. Okay? Every single course is included in your membership. We don't give you half of the solution. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. You get congressional trading data to track the trades being made by members of Congress. You get Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading Views premium charting software, the simulator from ET&A that lets you practice with fake money and real-time data, our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans, the Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you guys to be able to identify the hottest stocks in the market and where you should be putting your attention, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, all included for the $850. You get watch list every morning. The mods and I tell you what stocks we're focusing on with game plans of how we plan on trading them, where we're going to be buying, where we're going to be shorting. You know exactly what price that moderator is going to be buying and selling stocks before the market even opens. And that is a huge advantage that TeachD members have, because let the moderators, let the professionals do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. I know a lot of people are busy. You have your other responsibilities in the morning. I'll tell you exactly where I think that the best opportunities lie and what prices I'm going to be buying and selling these stocks when they reach them. Just go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $850 for a 61% discount, and that's good until midnight tonight. You get 2 private study groups to speed up your learning curve with our mods. And you also get a double your money back guarantee. Now, I know I talk a big game on these live streams, but I back it up with my own money. I am so confident in the platform that we have created and this platform's ability to help you reach your goals that anyone that joins True Trading Group, if you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group and do not make $850 back at least one time during your membership, I will give you back $1,700. I will give you back double what you paid to join our community. I can do that because we've only had to give a refund to 2.49% of our user base since 2016. We have members in 115 different countries, folks. 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,100 reviews. That is why I can offer you double your money back. If our refund rate was 20% and our retention rate was only 35%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back because we would go out of business. But since our refund rate is 2.49 and our retention rate is 78, I can offer you a double your money back guarantee without blinking an eye. AI just cracked 46. Boom. Did you make money on AI stocks? That's really what this has to boil down to, because not only are we in NVIDIA in the long-term portfolio, we're in AI for a swing trade. If you have not made money from these AI stocks, you have to really ask yourself, where are you getting your information? Are you getting your information from complete morons on social media that have you focusing on stocks like GFAI, stocks like Mullen, M-U-L-N? Are you kidding me? These are the stocks that you're focusing on when you have stocks like NVIDIA doubling, when you have stocks like AI doubling. AI doubled in days. You have to start thinking about where are you getting your information from? Because if you have not made money during this AI run, something is seriously wrong. And you need to change whatever it is that you're doing and start to take this seriously. Because this is a very serious moment. This is a very serious market. Money is a very serious thing, and there's a lot of it out there to be made, and there's a lot of it to be lost if you don't know what you're doing. As many of you may have already noticed. But members of True Trading Group, the exact opposite. Members of True Trading Group are making money. Members of True Trading Group are becoming better traders. Again, if you missed it, members, type the number 1 if you're making money and becoming better traders. So if you're anyone that's not a member and you're still on the fence, you got to ask, what the hell are you doing? See how many people are about to type the number 1 in chat. I know I talk a big game. I really do. I understand it. I get it. I understand the skepticism. I really, really, really do. That's why I offer you the double your money back guarantee. It's because I don't think you need it, but it's there to give you peace of mind, and it's there to hold us accountable. And that's why it's based on your P&L, not anyone else's win rate or anyone else's P&L. Because you're not joining True Trading Group to watch other people make money. You're joining True Trading Group so that you can make money. And just because moderators might make a good trade, if that doesn't translate to profits for you, well, that means our platform is failing you. And yes, your membership will renew at the $850. So if you guys join now for $850, your membership, when it comes time to renew next year, and I'm confident you're going to want to renew because, again, 78% of our members do, it will renew for $850. So the membership can be $2,500 next year. It doesn't matter. You only pay $850 to renew. You're grandfathering yourself in at the $850 when you guys join. So when you go to ttgoffer.com, it's going to say $2,212. You have to manually enter the code TTG121, click apply code, and the price drops down to $850. If you're a previous trial, or previous annual member, and you guys want the $850 price point with the double your money back guarantee, just send a text message. We have to whitelist your email, 786-505-4049, 786-505-4049. This is it. You are lucky. We are here extending it. Trial members, previous members, this is it. Last time that we're doing this for the Memorial Day sale. I'm extending it for one more day because of everything that just, like I said, I had some stuff I wanted to get off my chest. So this is your last shot. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the code TTG121. All right. Now, with that being said, we'll roll things back on over now to the charts. We'll get back to ticker symbol AI. Unbelievable trade for us, a 500% gain from members of True Trading Group. And I've got a quick video clip that I want to actually share with you guys for this stock, for AI. First of all, congratulations, everyone that made money on AI with me. I want you to sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. If you made money on AI, tell me how you did. Sound off in chat, comment, tell me. I love it when the whole team hits on something like this. This is a swing trade. You could have got in this trade last week. This is not something you had to be glued to your computer screen for. You could have been at work. You could have been in the car. You could have been on your phone, or you could have been at your desk and you could have been trading full time. Whatever it is, I want you guys to sound off in chat. Tell me all how you did. I love it when the whole team hits on a trade like this, guys. So while people are commenting in chat, what I would like to show you, 300% gain for Black Mamba. That's incredible. $915 profit for Dyron. Now we're talking about it. Made money in and out of this thing 4 times. Thank you, Thomas. You guys see what's possible here? A big boom for RK. Thanks, Michael. Profit of my AI trade will pay for my daughter's 3rd birthday. Yes, that's what we're talking about. That's what matters. It's not yachts and mansions and private jets. It's about paying for your daughter's beautiful, wonderful 3rd birthday party that she wants, she deserves, and now you can give it to her. That is what True Trading Group is all about.
They grow up so fast.
Yes, they do grow up so fast. $800 profit for Anthony. A double for my boy Bronx Tail. Joyful made $2,000 on it. I paid for my membership with this trade, says Larry. 40% gain for John. 100% gain for Jonathan. 325% gain for P. Wing. $2,800 profit for Travis from yesterday into today. 200% gain for Paul Parker. I got in late and I still made a bag, says DMC. This is what's possible. 70% gain for Sam. All you guys got to do is take advantage. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the code TTG121. Again, I don't think you need the W money back guarantee, but I'm there to give it to you. I don't care. 149% for Deanie. Maria, my girl, yes, 310%. Connie, 326%. Alex Puig, 113%. I'm getting butterflies. You guys are getting me. You guys are getting me going. You're getting me on one right now. If you are seeing this and you're not a member and all that stands in between you and this type of success is $850 and some willingness, then honestly, you guys got to sign off the live stream. Honestly, just sign off the live stream, because if you're seeing this and you're still not willing to take a chance on yourself, I just feel like you never will. 300% gain from Friday. Okito Brown, insane. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. It's a big one. Now, let me show you a video clip. Now, I could have showed you one of like 6 video clips, because last night, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, every single one of those days, we did a live stream, and I told you that I think AI is going to squeeze into the 40s. That's what I said on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last night. I'm going to play a quick video clip for you from the first time that I mentioned it, which was Wednesday. This is from Wednesday's live stream. You guys, you don't have to take my word for it. All the live streams are right here on this YouTube channel. But I got a quick little video clip for you guys, like a minute long, about a minute, not even a minute long, okay, where I talk to you about AI and how I think this is going to be a short squeeze. And I even drew the candle for you. So let's go ahead real quick, guys. This is a video clip from Wednesday's live stream when I first started telling you that I believe AI was going to squeeze. Everybody understand the game plan and the thought process there for AI? Excellent. Perfect. I think AI has a chance to short squeeze, and you can see something that looks like this. I'm not kidding. I think it has that type of potential. This price action, don't confuse. I'm not going to say it because somebody will come back to me. I think you can see this type of price action if this thing squeezes. I think it's there. I think it's possible. And with the hype around AI, it's a trade that I think you have to be paying attention to. And we'll see if we get it. I think the risk reward is worth it. I will give it a shot. And if I'm wrong, I'll stop out under 28. I'll take my loss and I'll move on. But if I'm right, it's going to be an absolute monster. Can we go to my chart for a second? Now, did you see the candle that I drew for you on Wednesday? That was a video clip from Wednesday. I drew the candle. Look at the chart. Look at the candle that gets put in. Are you kidding me? Doesn't get any better than that. Doesn't get any better. Wednesday, I drew that candle. There it is. And we absolutely crushed it. Again, if you continue to see stuff like this on these live streams and you're still not a member, and you're not having the success that you guys want, and you're not getting the results that you desire, I got nothing else to say to you. Honestly. At some point, you have to make a decision that you are worth it. Okay? At some point, you got to make a decision that you're worth it. And you guys have to take this seriously. You can go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. I talked about this on Wednesday. I talked about this on Thursday. I talked about this on Friday. And I talked about this last night. Where did you get in? $29.30. $29.30 is where I entered this trade. And I bought the stock, but I told members, because whenever I buy an equity, I always give members an option contract as well. If you want to follow along, you want to follow me on a trade, but you don't have the capital to trade the equity and you want to trade an option, I always give people an option contract as well. So I told people, I'm long at $29.30, but if you want to follow me on the option, I would buy the June 2nd $30 strike call option. At the time, that option was $2.30, $2.40. Today, that option went to $15. $15 from $2.40. It's a 500% gain. 500. You heard it here first. You heard it here for the last 4 days. And now we reap the rewards of our work and of our energy and of our efforts. Now, Stropanel says, are you bullish on AI's earnings, though? I don't think AI's earnings are actually going to be that big of a deal because they already pre-announced their guidance. So this company already came out right here on the 15th. Okay, right there on the 15th, they pre-guided on their earnings. So there's very high expectations coming in here for AI, and they report earnings tomorrow after the bell. Okay, tomorrow after the bell, they report earnings. I'm not going to be holding on to the rest of this position into earnings. I'm already out of the bulk of this position. I have a very small piece of my position still on this trade. To be honest with you guys, it's like, I don't know, 8, 9, 10% of my original position. I don't know what the math exactly is off the top of my head, but it's a small piece left because I've run out of shares. I've taken profit so many times on this trade because it just kept going higher and it kept blowing through resistance levels. It's just an unbelievable trade. So paid my subscription on my very first day, says Gustavo. Gustavo just joined True Trading Group. Made his membership fee back his very first day as a member. This is the stuff that's out there for you. So to answer the person's question about am I bullish on their earnings, I don't even think their earnings are going to really have much of an impact unless they're way off. You know, they shouldn't be way off because the company just gave you a pre-announced guide 3 weeks ago. So I find it hard to imagine that a lot has changed in the last 3 weeks. So it shouldn't be too much of a, it shouldn't be, you know, too much of a drastic event unless their guide from 3 weeks ago was complete nonsense and was complete BS and was fluff, you know, but I'm not going to be into its earnings. I'll be flat the position before that. Okay. I'll be flat the position before that. So congrats guys again on everybody that followed that AI trade. You heard it here first. Unbelievable. It's an absolute monster. Great job. All right. Now, with that being said, there is another trade that we were able to capitalize on today inside chat, and that was short Alphabet. Now, again, yesterday, this is on yesterday's live stream. So we did a live stream yesterday, and one of the topics that we were discussing was top 5 AI stocks and how I'm going to trade them. And one of the stocks that I had mentioned that was contrary to a lot of the others was Alphabet. And I said, I actually like this for a short, not a long. Everyone's going crazy about longs. I said, AI is the AI stock that I like long, ticker symbol AI. That's the AI stock that I like for the long. And I am long, and I've been long. And then I said, but Alphabet's the one that I actually like for the short. Now, coming into the day today, pre-market, we talked in the pre-market session, as we always do. Members and I, we talk in the pre-market session. I go over my game plan. We go over the watch list. All the moderators tell them their game plan. All the moderators tell them what they think is going to take place. And I told everybody today that I was concerned that today could be a blow off top on some of your AI names and specifically semiconductors. That I was saying I'm looking at Micron short at 75. I'm looking at Broadcom short up there around 900. ASML I think is a short. So I'm looking at all of these different AI stocks that have really rallied over the last week or so, and I'm saying you may get pullbacks on these. And if that's the case, I want to go after and I want to short Alphabet, because Alphabet has still not broken above a major resistance level. It's been one of the weaker stocks out of the AI names because it has been unable to make a new cycle high. So let's play this video clip. This is from last night's live stream when I told everybody that my game plan was to short Alphabet. Let's go ahead and play that clip. So Alphabet has not made a new cycle high. Don't you find that weird? So here you can see a resistance level that we have not been able to get above. So look at this line that I draw across my screen. It's 126, 126 and a half. You see how we have not been able to break above this level? Let me show you some of the other AI related stocks and show you how they've all made new cycle highs. Microsoft, new cycle high. Amazon, new cycle high. AMD, new cycle high. Broadcom, new cycle high. Another one we added in the long-term portfolio at around 500. Now the stock's at 810. Ayo, new cycle high. ASML, new cycle high. Micron, new cycle high. Taiwan Semi, new cycle high. Meta, new cycle high. See how every single one of these AI stocks has made a new cycle high except Alphabet? That's why this is the stock I'm going to short when it's time to short AI stocks. So that's from last night's live stream. That was last night, less than 24 hours ago. Okay. And I'm going to draw this line back up on my screen so you can all see it. This is that resistance level that we discussed. Okay. You can see that Alphabet has been unable to break above these previous highs and not make a new high like every other AI stock has. And because of that, I'm looking at Alphabet. I'm thinking, okay, this stock's kind of weak. This stock's kind of weak. The stock has not been able to break through those previous highs, although every single other AI stock has. So when we came into the day today, this stock was still sitting underneath this level. And I said, okay, I'm long AI. I'm going to get short Alphabet because Alphabet can't break through that level. And we jumped on this short real nice and early. And look at this move to the downside that we were able to cap. That's the line. That's the same line. I didn't touch this line. Let me go back to the daily chart, right? I'll go to daily chart. There's the line, right? Everyone sees that resistance level from the daily chart. Now let's go back to a 3-minute chart. I'm not going to touch the line. I'm not going to move it. There it is. There's the same line. Look at that. Resistance, resistance, resistance. We open up today, resistance, bang, and the stock falls out of bed. We step in, we short the stock right here, and then the thing just rolls over, and we're able to rip profits off early in the day on a nice quick trade there on Alphabet. Meanwhile, we're long AI, and AI is ripping people's faces off. So we're catching trades to the long side on AI. We're catching trades to the short side on AI, noticing and recognizing where there is strength in the sector and where there is weakness, and using that to our advantage to put ourselves in the best possible positions so that we can profit. This is information that I give to you guys just on live streams. Imagine what you would be able to do being in chat with us live in real time and actually getting the notifications when my orders are actually filling and getting the analysis in real time as it's happening right before our eyes, instead of getting it after the fact. I come on these live streams at 4 o'clock. I'm like, hey, guys, take a look. This is what's going on. Be there when it actually happens. Start profiting from this analysis. It's there for you. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the code TTG121. This is the last night for the $850 price point, folks. All right. You have any questions? You have any questions, you can send us a text message, or if you used to be a member, you used to be a trial member, or you currently are a trial member. Okay. You have to text us 786-505-4049. Again, that's 786-505-4049. Okay. You have to text us so we can whitelist your email address so we can give you guys that discount. All right. All right, folks, it's giveaway time. It is giveaway time. So like we said, we are giving away $1,000 here on this live stream to one lucky person, one lucky viewer. You need to know the code words. The code words were given out last night on the live stream. You must know the code words. All right, we're going to spin the wheel of names. If your name is called, you have won. And you must text us the 2 code words that were given on the live stream from last night. And then you guys will win $1,000. If you win, you must text this number. So write this number down. The number is 786-505-4221. Again, 786-505-4221. 786-505-4221. You're going to text that number if you guys win. Radiant, do you think I can still do this if I go to school? I don't think, Radiant. I know that you can because we have other members that do. All right, folks. So in a second, Adam's going to pull up the wheel of names. We'll spin. If your name is called, you must text 786-505-4049. I'm sorry, 786-505-4221. Again, we'll put it up on the screen, guys. 786-505-4221. You guys can text that number if your name is called. The code words, guys, again, if you guys missed the code words, yeah, because I did say we were going to give them again today. So the code words, okay, the code words are baseball and stocks. Baseball and stocks are the code words. Baseball and stocks. All right, so we're going to go ahead right now. All right, we're going to go ahead right now. We're going to spin this wheel. If your name is called, you must send a text message to 786-505-4221. Send a text message to that phone number with both code words, and you guys will win. Good luck, folks. The wheel is spinning. Here we go. Florin Tosh. Florin, congratulations. Florin. One sec. We've got to confirm something here. Hold on, folks. Yep, we're good. All right. So, Florin, you've got 5 minutes. The clock has begun. You must send a text message to 786-505-4221. Again, 786-505-4221. Florin, you must text that number right now with both code words in order to claim your $1,000. So stand by, folks. I will let you know if and when Florin claims that $1,000 prize. Oh, is it Flow Me? Is it Flow Me says it is me? Yeah, well, that would make Florin. Well, let's see. You got 5 minutes. You got to know both code words. You got to know both code words. So congratulations, Florin. We are standing by for the code words. While we wait to see if Lauren is going to claim this $1,000 prize, anyone have any questions for me on AI, Alphabet? Now would be the time for you guys to ask. If you guys have any questions, now is the time to ask. Again, great job, guys, today. I'm just proud. I'm proud of the team, man. I'm really proud of the team.
So, yep, they're good.
They text it. They're good.
Yeah, they're good.
Well, there you go, guys. So Florian, they did claim it. They did claim it. Congrats, congrats, congrats. $1,000 winner. Way to go. Congratulations, guys.
Somebody just sent the word boxer with like no context.
Boxer?
Yeah.
That's weird.
It is weird. And then at least 20 people sent in the code words like preemptively.
They're disqualified then for next ones.
So
Kenny Battles wants to know how I feel about SoFi. So you know what's funny about SoFi? So one of our gameplay. So I give you guys a list of like all of my top ideas for the day. I don't necessarily trade every single one of them because I can't trade everything. But on the watch list today was long SoFi 560, and I think SoFi can get to like $7. We were talking about SoFi getting to like $6, $7. It already got to $6. But the reason why we said 560, and you know what? I don't want people just to take my word for it. Members of True Trading Group, you guys can comment in chat. Please say true or false. Did I or did I not say SoFi 560? That's the long. Look for this thing to push up into the sixes. Just members can comment for those of you that were in chat, obviously, when we go over the game planning every single morning. But where do I get the 560 from? Let's talk about that so you guys can learn from it. Previous pivot resistance there from early May. But look at the major moving averages. Look at the dark blue line is the 50-day moving average. And the yellow line is the 200-day moving average. And look at that beautiful level of support that sits right there at those major moving averages. So you got previous pivot resistance, and you got the two major moving averages, and you have a good piece of fundamental news, a fundamental catalyst for SoFi. What is it? Finally!
it has happened to me.
Finally!
And
We are ending the student loan moratorium. We are finally ending it in August. So everybody that has not been paying their student loans, guess what? Starting in September, you're going to have to start paying them again. Okay? That hurts SoFi really bad. SoFi is a refinancing business. 10 to 15% of their revenue comes from refinancing student loans. They also use that to get new users onto their platform. So SoFi, at no fault of their own, the government just stepped in and said, you know what? 10 to 15% of your revenue and a major lead generation source for you, gone for the last 3 years. For the last 3 years, they weren't able to capitalize on this side of their business. Finally, that's going to, well, if this bill is passed. So what Biden and McCarthy agreed to over the weekend, if Congress passes it, then the student loan repayments will start back up again. And the cancellation of student debt, that gets pushed to the Supreme Court. And I think there's no way in hell the Supreme Court is going to allow that to happen. So I don't think student debt's going to be canceled. And the student loan repayments are going to pick back up in September.
I mean, if it does get canceled, do you think that maybe we could start some sort of movement to get Amex to cancel people's debt?
Yeah, let's try it. It's just crazy because you know what's going to happen? Like 80% of the people that had to pay student loans, that all of a sudden when the government's like, nah, you don't have to anymore. Do you think that those people saved that money?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. They bought a new car and they were like, oh, I could afford a $500 car payment, but now I don't have to pay my student loan. So now I can get a $700 car payment. Or, ooh, you know what? I can go buy that new pair of shoes. Or, ooh, you know what? Let's go out to dinner 2 more times a week. the average student loan payment was like $250 to $350 a month or something like that. Do you think those people save that money? Of course not. And you have nobody else to blame but yourself. So
about damn time.
So that's why I think SoFi is a good long. I don't think SoFi's done. I think SoFi actually has some room. I think you can see SoFi like $6.50 to $7, right? $6.50 to $7 is kind of the area that I'm thinking about. So I think SoFi's got a little bit of room.
Why would I have worked 2 jobs to pay my wife's tuition? Why would I have?
He's saying like, why would, like, he's saying I worked 2 jobs to pay my wife's tuition, but other people were not having to pay their,
No. Screw that. Just go out and spend irresponsibly. You know, Uncle Sam's got you.
Yep.
Finally.
All right, so guys, that wraps it up. That does it there. That concludes.
Wait.
What am I waiting for? What's going on?
Just give me 2 seconds.
I'm gonna give you like, I'll give you like 10 seconds. Not even 2. I mean, you asked so nicely. I feel like you deserve more than 2.
Never mind. I read something wrong. We're good. Tonight at midnight, I am personally going into the back end of this website, and I am moving the price up above $1,000.
Cool.
And that's it. So take advantage of it. You have till midnight tonight.
Yep. All right, guys. Get your butts on over there. ttgoffer.com. TTG121 coupon code. Use it. All right. Get yourselves the 61% discount. Claim that Memorial Day sale before it's too late. Text us if you're having a hard time signing up. 786-505.
He said, how often does the price come down? It's not going to come down lower than this. I need to wait till at least until August. For scheduling or money? Both. I mean, like Mike, I agree with what Mike says, if you're watching this and, $850 is a lot of money, then stop trading for the time being. Get your house in, right, Mike? I don't know.
Yes. I tell people,
get your house in order, like stop.
Yeah. If 850, and I mean this genuinely, and I mean this sincerely, I don't mean this in any demeaning or condescending way. Seriously, if $850 is make or break for you, you should not be trying to focus on trading. You should do some other stuff. Get your financial house in order and get yourself into a better position, and then come back and join True Trading Group when you're in a better financial situation. I promise we'll be here. We're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
All right, folks. All right, guys. What would you recommend to start with when joining TTG? Honestly, Radiant, a lot of members in True Trading Group joined with just a couple $100. You don't need thousands of dollars to join. A lot of members joined with 100, 200, 300, 500. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. You really don't. You got a lot of members that have turned
Better to start with less money and work your way up than to start with a lot of. I mean, if you're new, right?
Yeah.
If you have experience, that's a different story. But if you're new, it's better to start with less money, and work your way to a higher amount than it is to start with a bunch of money and just kind of throw stuff against the wall. You know,
prove that you could actually prove you can do this, right? Like grow your account with success rather than putting money into it.
Yeah. So, anyways, all right. Show them the platform. Reiterate a bunch of times that it's going up tomorrow, so nobody gets upset.
We'll still get. I'm sure.
Do you need to have a trading platform that you subscribe to, or is one provided? No, you do need your own trading account. We are not a brokerage firm.
Yeah, we're not a broker, guys. You don't actually execute trades with us. You can use E-Trade, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, Webull, whatever. That's what
anything but FTX.
Yeah.
Too soon?
Yeah.
Whatever.
No,
we didn't promote that.
It's not too soon. It's definitely not too soon. All right, folks.
Adam, update on your son. He's better. So we had to postpone the giveaway to tonight, which we made up for by giving away 1,000 instead of 500. Because my kid last night got a little bit of a stomach bug and was, vomiting. He's 5, and I had to help my wife put my daughter to sleep. She went to bed a child and woke up an adult. Kind of a fucked up day. All right, I gotta go.
All right, guys, let me show you guys the platform so you can actually see what you get for the $850 because, like I said, it is an all-inclusive membership and platform. So there are no upsells for courses or tools. That stuff is all included when you join. So you're going to get, of course, when you do join us, you're going to get our chat rooms where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. You can use the mobile app as well. The mobile app lets you see the screen share, listen to the audio, and get real-time push notifications when mods enter and exit trades, even if you're not in front of your computer.
That's the best comment I've ever seen on any one of these live streams, and I do these 6 nights a week. Right? 6 nights a week.
That is pretty good.
For years and years. And that is honestly the best comment I've ever seen.
This is a good one.
Lewis Winthorpe III. You are not a member, but we do have a Lewis Winthorpe III as a member already.
Yes.
So you guys are going to have to sort that out.
We do both, Lewis. So we do straight calls and puts. We also do spreads, strangles, iron condors. We do it all. We do it all. So that's the chat room and the mobile app. You guys also get 2 study group sessions with our mods to speed up your learning curve. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, live up to the second news alerts directly inside chat. You also get the congressional trading data that helps you track the trades being made by members of Congress. Trading Views premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use. The simulator from ETNA lets you trade with fake money but real-time data so you can practice. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, and short data. All of this is included, guys. You don't pay $1 extra for any of it. A trading journal tracks all of your trades. A social sentiment scanner tells you what stocks are talked about most on social media. Analyst ratings on any stock, so you know how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on a name. A watch list from all the moderators that tells you what stocks we're focusing on, detailed game plans, where we're going to buy, where we're going to short, so you know exactly where our attention lies before the day begins. Of course, all of our courses, where not a member yet, but I was taken for a ride. That's why I'm here to try again. Jennifer, we're ready when you are. Go to ttgoffer.com. use the code TTG121, and I'm giving you a double your money back guarantee. So if you can't make $850 back at least one time during your membership, after going through the courses, attending one study group, and passing the quizzes, I'll give you guys back double your money. That's $1,700 what I'll give you back. You have to manually enter the coupon code. When you go to ttgoffer.com, the price is going to say $2,212. When you enter TTG121, click apply code, then the price drops to $850. All right. So the courses are beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. It's all included. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. We don't sell you half the solution. This is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. You also get a video library with about 600 hours of workshops covering different topics that you guys can start attending live when you become members. It's time you guys get your butts in chat. It's time you get serious about this. I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just because you joined your training group. But what I can guarantee, like I said before, is if you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group, and can't make $850 back at least one time, I'll give you back $1,700. That's double your money back. We've only had to give a refund to 2.49% of users. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,100 reviews. 78% of our members renew their membership. This is the very last night for the Memorial Day sale. 786-505-4049 if you have questions or having a hard time signing up, or if you're a previous trial or previous member, you must text that number so we can whitelist your email. ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Thanks for joining me tonight, folks. Again, congratulations on what was a ridiculous day. AI, Alphabet, congrats, all of my members. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Take care, guys.